Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Subiaco right now and head to Fremantle with a 2-car FS Plateau via Showgrounds train. Set 6. We'll go just way at the front here. Thank you so much, Joshua Chan, for this request here. This is Daglish. According to the caption, head to the sea. So that's why we're head to the sea. Fremantle. Via Showgrounds today, so let's see how many people get off at Showgrounds. Now I have taken the Fremantle line before on Saturday and also on Sunday, and there are like not that many people. But today with Showground services, so maybe it's all due to Showgrounds. Next station, Shenton Park. Shenton Park. The vlog we ended here last time. The last video was the vlog. We ended here, now we continue to Fremantle. And from Fremantle, I'm just gonna head straight back. Not gonna waste time in Fremantle. I'm not in the mood of traveling and exploring Fremantle for the third time again. So as soon as I get off at Fremantle, we head out. I'll take 910 back. Next station, Karrakatta. Karrakatta, Lord Street, Showgrounds. Now there's the cycling track right there. This cycling track connects all the way to Fremantle from Perth. So that's why you can actually cycle all the way from Perth, where the riverbank is. Near Elizabeth Quay, you head straight out through the path that goes to UAA and then goes straight down through, and then she goes to this path right here. And this path will connect all the way to Fremantle. And I actually do want to try this path at least once later on. Looks pretty fun. If I need to have a bike, I don't know where to actually borrow a bike or lend a bike. I don't want to buy a bike, that would be too expensive. Next station, Lord Street. This is the shortest section, probably on the whole Transperth network. I think this one is even shorter than Mackay to Perth. Is someone like smoking on the train? Not so sure about that one, but hopefully it's not. Next station, Showgrounds. Showground doors open on the left. Now there are sometimes, I don't know when, but there are sometimes train service that terminates at Showgrounds, which will use that platform over there. Yep, here's Showgrounds. Most of the people, a lot of people getting off here. Doors open on the left. Next station, Claremont, where this service terminates. Airport line later on, where this service terminates. Change at Claremont for all stations Swanbourne to Fremantle. This is Claremont. This service terminates here. Dong. Dong, dong, dong. I don't know that tone. Please clear the track. This service terminates at this station. All passengers, please alight. No announcements. There's stuff like right outside, so I'm not going to raise my camera until the door actually closes. Again, no announcements. What the hell happened to all of the announcements? And the turnback siding is right here. There's the turnback siding for airport line right there. That will be for later airport line. They will switch tracks right here after terminating at Claremont. There's definitely enough space for 6 cars to actually stop there, so that's why. Because later on for all lines they will use B series, which will be all 6 cars, so that's why they have to get ready for 6 car trains to run on these heritage lines as well. Platforms, they will build longer platforms very soon, but not now. Still takes a while before all the B series take over these lines. Next station, Swanbourne. The announcement just after Showgrounds, the announcement just goes MIA. Literally, I'm not even joking, there are no announcements right now on the train. 괜찮습니까? Next station, Rain is coming in. Next station, Grand Street. Oh, finally the announcement is back. The last time when I filmed, remember that Grand Street to Lord Street request? Last time? I actually should get off at Grand Street that time, but the rain is too heavy that I cannot get off here and walk across. That's why I chose to get off at Cottesloe and catch the train on the other side. And then come back here and start the video on the train, because it's literally impossible to film on that one. Literally impossible to walk out with no shelter and like thunderstorm. Like thunderstorm-esque rain coming down from the sky. It's impossible. Next station, Cottesloe. I still remember that time when I go to Cottesloe. Actually, not to Cottesloe. Swanbourne. Not Swanbourne. Scarborough. There we go. Scarborough. Holy shit! What the hell? I went to Scarborough on a rainy day. Which is completely stupid, but whatever. Next station, Cottesloe. Another 2 car just passed by. This is Cottesloe. Now there is a bus stand down there, but Transperth is planning to remove this station as into a non-bus interchange because there's only one route down there. It's not even a bus station. It's just a random bus stand. Have 102 and 107. But 102 and 107 they are very scarce. Not a very frequent bus. Next station, Mosman Park. It's not Moss, it's Moss. Mosman Park. This is Mosman Park. Oh, I just realized that. Originally the announcement was the female announcer, and then when after it goes MIA, now it's actually a male announcer. Why? Next station, Victoria Street. What is that? That's a transporter party bus right there. That's pretty cool. Next station, North Fremantle. Now basically if you actually just swim right out from here, if you take a boat right out from here, you can actually leave Australia. If you want to just like sneak out of Australia, you can just actually take a boat right here and head out to the middle of the ocean. Because here's the edge of Australia. Right here, edge of Australia. So if you actually just take a boat right out to the middle of that no man's land over there, you should be already have left Australia. You should be going to like, I don't know which direction it's going to be, like maybe Africa or something like that. Next station, Fremantle, where this service terminates. Next station, Fremantle, where this service terminates. I really enjoyed the mail announcer way more. That's 4 car. That's probably the train that I just took earlier. Yep, the set 21 and 32. All right, crossing the bridge here. Oh, this is not the bridge, not the dangerous bridge yet. This is the bridge that has railings. And there's the dangerous bridge at the front. This is Fremantle Station. This service terminates here. This is actually a female announcer, that's not the male announcer. This is Fremantle. Please mind the gap. I don't know whether there's please mind the gap for this one, but whatever. it also does that. Okay, this is Fremantle Station. This service terminates here. Now, because there are no bumpers at the front, that's why the driver can freely, normal speed, drive into this one.
This is Fremantle Station. This service terminates.
Fremantle, and hope you guys enjoyed this request. Thank you so much, Josh, your trend for this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Click on these videos up top, check out the links in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!